In a realm where the whispers of creativity echo through the corridors of time, a community known as the Leathenistas emerged, embarking upon a journey where artistry intertwined with storytelling. These artisans were not mere craftsmen but ardent souls, delving deep into the realms of imagination to craft tales of wonder. Within a vibrant workshop nestled amidst the tapestry of life, the Leathenistas congregated. Amidst the fragrant aroma of leather and the symphony of inspiration, their nimble fingers danced upon the supple canvas, breathing life into their creations. Each piece, a testament to their passion, concealed within its folds a universe waiting to be explored. The Leathenistas, like scribes of old, sought to ignite the flames of creativity within the hearts of others. They disseminated their craft ideas, like ancient manuscripts, awakening the latent artist within those who dared to tread upon the path of do-it-yourself endeavors. With each stroke of inspiration, they encouraged the seeker to unlock the gates of creativity and unleash their inner artisan. In their tireless pursuit of perfection, the Leathenistas chanced upon a hidden treasure, known as real natural leather sheet. This illustrious trove, resplendent in its offerings of colors and textures, became the cornerstone of their craft. It bestowed upon them the tools to empower them to transcend the boundaries of conventional craftsmanship. Together, the Leathenistas and real natural leather sheet embarked upon a wondrous odyssey, crafting handmade gifts that spoke of devotion and ingenuity. Their union birthed a symphony of beauty and grace, resonating within the hearts of kindred souls who yearned for unique expressions of affection and admiration. News of the Leathenistas' artistry reverberated throughout the land, drawing creative enthusiasts like moths to a flame. Their intricate handmade crafts and the allure of Yilt's offerings captivated the minds of all who beheld them. The Leathenistas became the architects of dreams, inspiring a generation to imbue their gifts with a touch of personalized elegance and heartfelt sentiment. Dear reader, within the embrace of the Leathenistas and real natural leather sheet, you too can partake in this voyage of self-discovery and artistic expression. Unleash your imagination and let your hands weave tales that transcend the boundaries of time and space. With each stroke upon the canvas of leather, you have the power to create exquisite handmade gifts, capturing the essence of cherished relationships and treasured memories. Join the Leathenistas on this epic expedition, where creativity and storytelling intertwine, giving birth to masterpieces that resonate with the souls of those who behold them. Embrace the allure of DIY crafts, the exhilaration of crafting by your own hand, and the transformative power of handmade gifts. Together with the Leathenistas and real natural leather sheet, let your creative spirit soar and leave an indelible mark upon the world. Are you prepared to embark upon this extraordinary journey, where tales are spun with the touch of leather and the fires of imagination burn bright? Cast aside your doubts, for the Leathenistas beckon you to join their ranks, where the realm of artistry and storytelling converge in harmonious splendor. Let your creative journey commence, and may your artistic endeavors forever bear witness to the passion and brilliance of these extraordinary artisans.